If we look forward to the management of this syndrome in patients, then it might be treated or the onset might be reduced by the testosterone therapy through long-term implants, which could be initiated at the beginning of puberty. Fertility even has been achieved using testicular sperm aspiration and techniques such as intracytoplasmic sperm injection, abbreviated as ICSI. I should tell you the full procedure of the famous techniques such as ICSI, but that is a topic for another day. So stay tuned to sqadia.com if you want to learn more and more on such terminologies and on such conditions that we discussed even today. Specifically today, we discussed the Klinefelter Syndrome and the clinical variants that are usually seen in the outpatient departments. How would you diagnose these patients specifically with Klinefelter Syndrome? And what are the specific management guidelines in the management of such cases? I hope you found this lecture helpful for your studies. Thank you and stay tuned to sqadia.com.